Hello, good day to all. Today I would like to introduce myself. My name is Susie Patricia from Department of Electrical Engineering, Muka Polytechnic, and I am presenter of a research paper titled Design and Development of Smart Gardening with IoT. Agricultural IoT technology has been used extensively in agriculture and is well known to most farmers worldwide. This research study describes an Internet of Things (IoT) based smart garden monitoring system that uses a Node MCU microcontroller to allow users to monitor the temperature, humidity, and wetness of their indoor plants and gardens. A Blink application has been made to display the real-time profiles of environmental factors, including temperature, humidity, and wetness. This technology will let users take better care of the growth and health of the plant in their gardens. The problem statement. A regular watering schedule is crucial. However, because of their hectic schedule, many people overlook this watering schedule due to a hectic schedule. The owner consistently forget to water or fertilize the plants. Despite this, the current lifestyle trend includes recreational spaces that allow individuals to contact nature. According to Pan et al. 2024, IoT technology can be utilized to monitor several agricultural parameters such as crop status, weather, and soil moisture. According to Arthur Tu, No and Muzira 2024, claim that IoT technology allows users to communicate with sensors and controllers, which are widely used in the agricultural sector for farming and weather forecasting. In this prototype, show the real-time profile of environmental parameters including temperature, humidity, and wetness of their indoor plants and gardens using a Node MCU and a Blink application. It is based on an Internet of Things (IoT) based smart garden monitoring system. Project design. This is the figure 1 show that Node MCU ESP32. This research study suggests an Internet of Things IoT based method for smart garden monitoring that uses Node MCU ESP32 microcontroller that shown in figure 1 below. This is the figure 2, the block diagram. The block diagram including the ESP32, there are input as ultrasonic, DHT11, soil measure, relay, and then the output for ESP32 is LED stripe, water pump, and the cooling fan. Okay. And then the figure 3 circuit diagram. This is the circuit diagram that show the prototype. A block diagram as seen in figure 2 is a crucial tool for developing, elucidating and visualizing the workflow and procedures of hardware or software system. A soil moisture sensor, DHT11, and ultrasonic are used as input in this project. Figure 3 illustrates the output, which include an LED stripe, a water pump, and a cooling fan. As a result, the design and development of smart gardening with IoT was successfully established. Figure 4 displays the final prototype design and the result of the Blink application. Extensive testing was done on the system to make sure it will work on its own. Users can monitor and control the device from any location at any time. This is the figure 4 final prototype design and the outcome of the Blink application. Okay, this is the, the prototype, and this is the display in the smartphone. The conclusion of this presentation, the design and construction of this prototype project was accomplished successfully. A prototype has been constructed to show how the recommended approach can be used in real-world situations. Using a smartphone and Wi-Fi, the suggested IoT smart gardening concept with an ESP32 is put into practice. The system in place is capable of tracking and gathering gardening data to notify users about their garden. This is the reference that I use in this project. Thank you for watching. That's all. Thank you.